strong.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू पायलट ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज हम देखेंगे ब्रिज कोर्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 8 एंड द सब्जेक्ट इज जनरल साइंस। टुडे वी आर डूइंग टेस्ट नंबर 3। बस इससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए जिसे इस वीडियो की जरूरत होगी। यह वीडियो सेमी इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी यूजफुल है। सेमी इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स इस वीडियो का आप जरूर देखिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट द टेस्ट नंबर 3। The total marks is 30 and the time is 1 hour. It consists of what? Activity sheet from 1 to 24. Question number 1A. Complete the statements by choosing the right option. The frequency of audible sound is dash. The answer is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Next question, question number 2. To avoid sprouting, potato are exposed to dash. The answer is radiations. Next question, question number 3. The chemical symbol for calcium is dash. That is Ca. Students ध्यान रखना है C हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए। Question number 1B. Write the answers of the following question. Identify the constellation shown in the accompanying figure. The answer is Scorpio. Question number 2. Solve the puzzle. So there are two puzzles. An ingredient derived from petroleum. So let us see number 1. So number 1 is what? Derived from petroleum. That is what? Kerosene. Kerosene. Next question. The main component of natural gases. So natural gases का main component है, that is what? Methane. Methane. Next question. Write examples of natural disinfectant. Answer: alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, hot water and some essential oils. Question number 2. Write the answers of the following questions. Why does this happen? The sun appears red at sunshine or sunset. Answer is sunlight reaches us through the layer of atmosphere. Sunlight कैसे होता है? Atmosphere के layer से पास होता है. So at sunset, the light reaches us, travel a greater distance through the atmosphere. Sunset के टाइम क्या होता है? वो ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, एटमॉस्फेयर से पास होता है. सो ड्यू टू ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस देयर इज मोर स्कैटरिंग ऑफ ब्लू कलर. सो एज अ रिजल्ट द रेड येलो लाइट रीचेस अ डायरेक्टली एंड द सन अपीयर्स रेड. असल में क्या होता है? वो कलर रेड ब्लू कलर का होता है, बट इट स्कैटर्स थ्रू द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड इट लुक लाइक अ व्हाट? रेड येलो लाइट. सो द सन अपीयर्स व्हाट? रेड कलर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Draw a vertical intersection of the hibiscus flower and label its parts. So we have a hibiscus flower which has ovary, corolla, stigma, style, anther, filament, calyx and pedicel. Next question. Question number 3. Write the scientific name of the animal shown in the picture using the binomial nomenclature. Say the genus is what? Bos. B-O-S. Bos. And species is what? Indicus. So it is what? Bos indicus. Next, question number 4. How many constellations does a one season have if classified according to the seasons? It is said that in the rainy season, the sun enters the Mrug Nakshatra. What does it mean? So one season have 9 constellations. It is said in rainy season the sun enters the Mrug Nakshatra. It means Mrug Nakshatra or Orion is behind the sun. Next question, question number 5. What are the important components of toothpaste? What are their functions? The principal ingredient of a toothpaste is what? Calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate. It removes the dirt on teeth. This ingredient also polishes the teeth. Certain proportion of fluoride in the toothpaste help prevent the tooth decay. Fluoride is essential for the strengthening of bones and the enamel covering of the teeth. Question number 6. Under which different types can the following changes be classified? Dissolving. Now dissolving, अब dissolve हो रहा होगा तो it is solid and it is converted into what? Liquid. So it's about physical change. Second, a meteor streaking across the sky. So it's a what? Chemical change. Question number 7. Which muscles contract and relax while lifting a heavy object from the ground? Answer. There are two groups of muscle set which are involved in lifting. The bicep and tricep muscles. So when tricep muscle contract, then bicep muscles relax. That causes the straighten the arms. When bicep muscle contract and tricep muscle relax, then hand lift. Next question, question number 8. If a person swims 100 meter in the first 40 seconds, crosses 80 meter in the next 40 seconds, and crosses 45 meter in the next 20 seconds, find the average speed. तो हमें पहले क्या करना है? सब मीटर्स में जो है उसको सबको प्लस करना है और जो सेकेंड्स में है उसे प्लस करना है. So we'll get average distance and average time, right? So what is the formula for the average speed? So the average speed is equal to average distance upon average time. So 100 plus 80 plus 45 upon 40 plus 40 plus 20. So when you add it, it becomes 225 upon 100. So that becomes 2.25 meter per second. So the average speed is 2.25 meter per second. Next question, question number 3. Write the answers of the following questions. Explain the properties of magnetic line, force line with the help of the suitable diagram. You can see the diagram. There is a magnet और उसके साइड में जो lines है वो है magnetic force line. Draw it properly. Let us see the properties. The intensity of the magnetic field can be obtained from the number of lines of forces. Magnetic lines of forces do not intersect each other. Magnetic lines of forces always run from the north pole to the south pole. तो ये है 3 properties. Next question. Complete the following table. Sulfuric acid. Yes, the molecular formula of sulfuric acid will be H2SO4. The name of the constituent elements is hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा इसका constituent? With the help of the molecular formula. Next question, washing soda. The molecular formula is Na2CO3 and the constituent of the element will be Na का तो molecular formula में Na means sodium, C is carbon and O is oxygen. So the constituent element will be sodium, carbon and oxygen. Next question, sugar. The molecular formula will be C12H22O11 and the constituent elements will be carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We'll move for the next question. Question number 3. Write the medicinal uses of basil, amla, neem. Answer is, these 3 are being used since ages for curing acne, diabetes, stomach problem, joint problem, skin ailments, hair fall problem, fever, cold and cough and heart diseases. Next question, question number 4. complete the following table. Yes, न्यूट्रिशन को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 पार्ट्स में, दैट इज प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. प्लांट्स को अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे सो इट डिवाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, दैट इज ऑटोट्रॉफिक, हेटेरोफिक एंड सिम्बायोटिक, which is further divided into insectivorous and saprophytic. In animals, it is divided into 3 parts, that is holozoic, saprozoic and parasitic, which is further divided into ectoparasitic and endoparasitic. Next question, question number 5. What is fermentation? What changes occur in the substance during this action? Name the substances produced by fermentation in our daily life. The chemical processes of conversion of one type of carbon compound into another type of carbon compound by the action of microorganism is called fermentation. The batter get rise after the fermentation. Idli, bread, dokla, etc. are produced by fermentation. Here we completed our test number 3. Now if you like my video, do click like button, comment, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends, relatives, neighbors, or the person who needed the most. Thank you.